Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can copy the results of an applied advanced filter to a new location instead of filtering the table in its original place. To do this, create your advanced filters criteria as usual. Then click into the data to filter. Then click the Advanced button in the Sort and Filter button group on the Data tab of the ribbon. In the Advanced Filter dialog box, choose the option for Copy to another location in the Actions section at the top. Then select the cells that contain your list range and criteria range as usual. Then click into the Copy To field. Then click the Worksheet cell that will become the upper left corner of the cell range to which to paste the filtered data results. Finally, click the OK button in the dialog box to filter the table and copy the results to the location you selected. One point to note is that when you copy the results to a new location, the specified location must be in the active worksheet, meaning the worksheet that contains the table that is being filtered.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.